Hi everyone. How to increase or decrease recycled bin storage settings on Windows 11/10/8/7. Right-click the Recycle Bin icon and select the Properties option to open Recycle Bin Properties box. Refer to our guide to add or restore Recycle Bin icon on the desktop of Windows November 10th if it is missing on your PC desktop. Select the Recycle Bin location you want to configure. After that, select the custom size from the Settings for the selected locations section. Specify the maximum hard drive space in the megabyte that Recycle Bin can use on the particular partition in the maximum size MB field. Specify the entire hard drive space in the megabyte that Recycle Bin can use in the specific partition. For example, if you have a 100 GB partition and want to set Recycle Bin to use 5 GB of space, you need to specify 5120 megabytes because 1 GB equals 1024 megabytes. Quick note, if you have multiple partitions on your Windows PC and want to adjust the storage for Recycle Bin, you have to perform the above steps for all partitions individually. After that, click on the Apply button, then click on the OK button. When done with the above steps, the Recycle Bin will store more or fewer deleted files or folders on the selected partition, depending on your configuration. Quick note, each partition of the internal hard disk configured on your machine has its own Recycle Bin. Moreover, removable drives like SD cards and USB flash drives do not have, which means once you delete files from portable devices, they will be erased permanently. In that case, you need to recover that deleted data using recovery software to retrieve deleted files from portable devices. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in next video.